Welcome to BitRush Crypto. My name's Kyler, and in today's video we're going to be teaching you how to mint your very own NFT and sell it on the OpenSea.io website. We're going to be using the Polygon network just to save a little bit on gas fee, but if you guys are looking to mint using the Ethereum blockchain, you can follow along with the video as it's the exact same process, and I'll make sure to designate where you need to make the change. If you guys are just getting started and you haven't already watched the previous two videos, you can go ahead and pause this and go back and watch those now. They'll be linked in the description below and should be popping up above now, both how to set up your account on OpenSea and how to create your first collection for your NFTs to be minted into. Again, if you guys are new around here, make sure you sub to the channel. Everyone pound that thumbs up, and here we go. For starting at the OpenSea homepage, there's several ways we can get started with this process. Number one is simply to click Create. This will open up the mint page and we can go ahead and mint right from here. The one thing we need to keep in mind is that we're going to need to choose our collection down below. However, if you already have several collections set up or you're starting where our last video ended, maybe it's easier for you to come over to the collections page. Click into the individual collection, and then once you're in that collection, simply click Add Item. Again, it's the exact same process, except for this way the collection is already chose, so you make sure not to make any mistakes on that. Whichever way you decide to get here, the next thing we're going to need to do is to choose the art for our NFT. There are lots of types of files supported, as you can see listed above. JPEG, PNG, GIF, SVG, MP4, which are video files, WebM, MP3, WAV, OGG, GLB, GLTF, so lots of different things from audio, video to just regular image files. You can do your own research and decide what's going to be best for you for your project. For me today, I'm simply going to be using some JPEGs. You can either open up a folder and click and drag them into the designated spot here, or just click and open up and choose the file like you would any other place. Once you have the image of your NFT chosen, you're going to name it. For us, we're going to use the name of our collection and give it a number. So for us, the name will be Painted Horse 01. If you have any information about your NFT you'd like to link, additional information, maybe it's hosted somewhere else and you got information there, you can add that as well. Next, you're going to need to describe your image. For my description for this NFT, I'm going to put the most amazing horse you've ever seen. Next, we're going to choose our collection. Since we chose that from the start and we clicked Add Item, it's already chosen for us, but just double check and verify you are in the correct collection. Next, you're going to be able to add several properties, levels, and statistics. Properties are going to be textual traits. Levels are going to be numerical traits shown as a progress bar, like 50%, 20%, things like that. And stats will be just shown as numbers, one of whatever. So let's add our first property. Since this horse is pink, we're going to go ahead and just do color pink and save. Again, if you wanted to add more, you could click add more and just add more traits. If you want to get rid of them, just click the X and again save. I'm not going to add any levels to the horse, but let's add a stat. I'm going to choose horse number, value 105. Again, if we need to edit, just click into add more and we can change it. We actually want 6. I just realized I have 6 horses, so make sure you have the correct number if you're doing stats like that and you have everything lined up how you want it. Check and verifying everything. Unlockable content. If you wanted to have some sort of content unlockable, you could add that here, and basically only the people that own that NFT and have it in their wallet can see. However, if it's resold, multiple people would be able to see it after it's being resold. Just make sure to keep that in mind with anything you're doing. I do have another video on a way that I handled unlockable content using G Drive, so if you guys are interested in that, you can find that linked in the description below. For us, we're going to remove that and not have any unlockable content. Again, if you have anything not safe for work, just check this and make sure you do mark that it is explicit and sensitive content. Next is going to be the number of copies you would like minted. If you want each of your art pieces to be a 1 of 1, then you're just going to keep that as 1. If you want, say, 10 copies of this art piece, then we would change it to 10, or any number you would desire. I want mine to be really rare, and so we're going to go ahead and just keep them at 1 of 1. And the next, we're going to choose the blockchain. You're going to choose Polygon or Ethereum. If you guys set up using the last video following me along on the Polygon network, you're going to want to keep it on Polygon. However, if you guys were using Ethereum and you want to be on the Ethereum network, simply switch it over. It's that easy. Next, we can choose to freeze our metadata. So remember before I told you that you couldn't change things? That's not exactly true. So you can create your item and come back in and change a few things here using the Polygon network. But once you go back in and freeze them, then they are stuck on the blockchain permanently forever. Again, double, triple check everything. Everything looks good. Then we can just scroll down to the bottom and go ahead and create. That's everything if you're using the Polygon network. If you were using Ethereum, you are going to have to spend a small Ethereum gas fee to make this transaction go through on the network. Other than that, you're good to go. We can now view in our wallet. So we see here the Painted Horse 01 is his name. And just scrolling down to the side to the properties, we have pink is his color, and his stats, horse number 1 of 6. So pretty cool. About Painted Horse. Painted Horse is a unique projected. So I got to change that. We didn't pick that up, guys, on the first one when I was creating it. Supposed to be a unique project. I'll fix that here in a minute. So a unique project dedicated to the education of future artists on the blockchain. We can see here it was minted from null address to us. And if we click on the image, it does zoom in a little bit if it gets any bigger. We've now completed the minting process of our very first NFT. If we'd like to mint more, we just go ahead and continue to repeat that process until we're satisfied with the number we've created, or the amount of art pieces that we've created are now on the blockchain, and then we can go ahead and sell them. I'm going to go ahead and mint the rest of mine, and I'll fast forward to the point when I'm done, and we can go ahead and put these for sale. Okay, so now that you've minted all of your NFTs for your collection, or at least as many as you're going to mint initially for the start of your collection, you can always go back and mint more. We're now ready to start selling some NFTs. That's what we've all been waiting for, right? We're creating this collection, we're minting NFTs, and we're ready to put them on the marketplace, and hopefully people start buying. We can see all of our NFTs in our collection here and choose the one we'd like to sell. I'm going to start with my very first NFT and just choose my horse 1. Once we're clicked into the NFT we'd like to sell, we can see in the top right hand corner we do have edit. Before our stats are frozen, we still can go back and edit them if you're the owner, or we can sell. Here we're going to choose the amount of Ethereum we'd like to sell for, or if we chose another coin, we can put it for sale for that coin. Remember, when we created our collection, we chose different coins, so you can choose which one you'd like, and people can always make offers in other coins as well. So go ahead and choose the one you want. I'm just going to stick with Ethereum. Next, we're going to choose the amount of Ethereum we'd like to sell our NFT for. To keep things simple for today's video, I'm just going to go ahead and put them in for 0.25. And if you guys would like to purchase this, this will go towards the channel and help me continue to make great content to help other artists get started in the NFT world. If you guys are art collectors, there's only going to be 6 of these minted, and yeah, that's it forever. So this collection will be on the blockchain and available for purchase. We can see the total dollar value based on the price of Ethereum today, but keep in mind that if you're using Ethereum and Ethereum goes up, this price will also go up, and if the value of Ethereum goes down, this price will also go down. So if you want to keep your profits locked in USD value, make sure you choose a coin like USDC. We're then going to see all of the calculated fees associated with selling an NFT on OpenSea. The first fee is going to be from OpenSea platform themselves. They do take 2.5% from every transaction. Then, based on the creator royalty, which is us, we're going to receive 2.5%. So it goes back to us anyway. We weren't the creator of the collection and we were just selling another NFT that we bought and wanted to resell, we would have to pay that fee to someone else. But because it's us, we don't worry about that. After all of the fees, we're going to see the total amount that we would earn. So on a 0.25 Ethereum sale, we're going to get back 0.2375 Ethereum, which as of today's recording is about 771 USD value. You can also select the schedule listing, and if you'd like to have a certain date that it's available for sale, you can choose that here. That's basically everything you need. Once you're ready and you've double checked and verified everything is correct, go ahead and click complete listing. You're going to have to unlock this collection. You only have to do this one time per collection. So since we just created this collection, we've never sold anything within this collection before, we're going to have to sign and verify that we want to interact with that collection on the network. Once that transaction is confirmed, we can then click sign. Again, you're going to have to pay a small fee on the network to get this on, but go ahead and sign and you're good to go. We can now see our painted horse number 1 here is for sale for 0.25, and the sale ends in 183 days, which is what we specified in the dates. We already have one favorite, so that's good to see. Guys, let's click back into our collection page. And that should now be the first item listed for sale for 0.25 Ethereum. Congratulations, guys. That's everything you need to get started selling NFTs on the Polygon network. And it's the exact same process for Ethereum. It just costs a little bit more in gas. I hope you guys did enjoy today's content. If so, please do smash that thumbs up. Leave a comment on today's video if you'd like to win one of these NFTs that we created. I'm going to go ahead and drop one to one lucky winner. So comment on today's video with your Ethereum address for your chance to be entered into the drawing. Again, these NFTs will be for sale, and I'll leave the link in the description below if you'd like to support the channel and support this project, helping future artists get started on the blockchain by creating and selling NFTs. Again, links in the description for everything you need. Smash the thumbs up, sub to the channel, happy crypto, and let's keep getting those NFTs.